Welcome to all kind-hearted individuals, both young and old. Welcome to your Everything You Believe YouTube channel. In this channel, we will explore life through the lens of faith, delving into the essence of our belief, the interweaving of faith and life, and the various experiences encountered by the individuals. If you are new to this channel, we will ask you to subscribe. With your continued support, I will present my videos to all of you. A warm welcome to everyone. Today we will be discussing the topic
Law of Attraction. Today, I want to touch upon a captivating topic that has taken the world by storm, the law of attraction. The law of attraction is a powerful concept that suggests our thoughts and intentions have the power to shape our reality. It is all about attracting positive energy into our lives, manifesting our desires, and ultimately creating a life we truly want. So, how does it work? Well, according to the law of attraction, like attracts like. This means that positive thoughts and beliefs will attract positive experiences, while negative thoughts will bring forth negativity. In a nutshell, your thoughts and emotions act as magnets that draw in what you focus on. Think of it this way: imagine you wake up in the morning and set your intention for the day, believing that good things will happen to you. By doing so, you are sending out a clear signal to the universe that you are open to receiving positive opportunities. This mindset can uplift your spirit, increase your confidence, and even improve your relationships with others. One of the essential aspects of the law of attraction is visualization. By visualizing your goals, dreams, and desires, you are replanting the seeds of manifestation in your mind. When you consistently hold these positive images in your thoughts, the universe aligns itself to make them a reality. It is almost like you recreating a blueprint for your life, and the universe is your ultimate architect. However, it is important to remember that the law of attraction is not just a magic wand that instantly grants all your wishes. It requires dedication, focus, and, most importantly, taking inspired actions towards your goals. It is about aligning your thoughts, feelings, and actions to match your desires. Putting the law of attraction into practice can be truly transformative. It encourages us to shift our focus from negative aspects of life to the positive ones. It aids in cultivating gratitude, self-belief, and resilience, which are essential ingredients for personal growth and success. Now, I am not here to claim that the law of attraction guarantees everything you wish for will materialize in an instant. Life is unpredictable, and challenges are bound to come our way. However, the law of attraction equips us with the tools to navigate through those challenges with a positive mindset, attracting solutions and opportunities along the way. So, my dear viewer, I encourage you to embrace the law of attraction and incorporate it into your lives. Foster positivity, set empowering intentions, visualize your dreams, and take inspired actions towards achieving them. Remember, you have the power to shape your reality, and the universe is ready to respond to your desires. Keep shining, stay positive, and let the magic of the law of attraction unfold in your life. Until next time, take care and keep attracting those wonderful experiences. Certainly, here is a moral true story about a well-known celebrity that exemplifies the power of the law of attraction. Let us dive into the life of none other than the iconic Oprah Winfrey. Oprah is a prime example of someone who has used the law of attraction to turn her dreams into reality. Born into poverty and facing many hardships during her early years, Oprah had a strong desire to make a difference in the world through her passion for media and storytelling. She visualized herself as a successful talk show host and believed in the power of her own potential. Oprah consistently focused on her vision, holding on to the belief that her goals were not just achievable but destined to be hers. She diligently worked on honing her skills, seizing every opportunity that came her way, and strived to bring joy and positivity to people's lives. Despite numerous setbacks and challenges, Oprah's unflinching determination and unwavering faith in the law of attraction propelled her forward. She remained steadfast in her conviction that success and abundance were within her reach. In time, her dedication paid off when she landed her own talk show, The Oprah Winfrey Show. The show became a huge success, captivating audiences worldwide and catapulting Oprah into superstardom. She became an influential media mogul, philanthropist, and one of the most respected personalities in the entertainment industry. Oprah's story is a testament to the law of attraction in action. By envisioning and believing in her dreams, she attracted the right opportunities and people into her life. She radiated positivity, kindness, and authenticity, creating a ripple effect that transformed the lives of countless individuals. Beyond her professional success, Oprah's story also emphasizes the importance of using one's influence to uplift others. She has consistently used her platform to inspire, empower, and bring about positive change in the world. So, the moral of Oprah's story is that the law of attraction can work wonders when combined with dedication, perseverance, and an unwavering belief in one's abilities. It reminds us that life is full of possibilities, and with the right mindset, we can overcome any hurdles that come our way. Let Oprah's journey inspire you to tap into the limitless power within yourself. Embrace the law of attraction, visualize your dreams, and take inspired actions towards creating a life filled with success, abundance, and impact. Remember, you have the ability to manifest your own reality, just like Oprah did. So, keep dreaming, keep believing, and keep attracting incredible experiences into your life.
Please share this message with your friends, enemies, and relatives alike. Stay tuned for another insightful video. It's time to live. Yours, Babu.